guys, today's video is another Poshmark Q&A. Let's get into the questions. First question, when an item that sells that is over £5 and you upgrade the shipping label, does the buyer pay more shipping costs for that item or does the seller pay? Should I list in the item description that the shipping will be more than $7? So the seller pays for the extra shipping when something weighs over £5. So you want to price your items according to that. There's no way for the buyer to pay that extra cost. It's the seller that pays it. And then you said, also forgot to ask this as well, the bundle that I sold is actually £11 and Poshmark does not upgrade a label over £10. So I still need my item to track and get paid. I'm assuming I still print and attach the regular Posh label and then the post office will add additional, the comment cut off. An item that is over £10, you can upgrade your shipping label to £10 and then take it to the post office and you just pay the extra. But yeah, the seller pays the extra shipping, the buyer does not. So just make sure to take that into consideration when pricing your item and taking offers. Next question, can you talk about your process for custom bleaching sweatshirts? Shirts and sweatshirts. So yeah, so it's pretty simple. I have a video showing you guys how I did it. Is it on this channel or is it on my vlog channel? I don't know. I'll try to find it. But I guess I can do a separate video talking all about it. It's pretty simple. It's a pretty simple process. Your other question was, have you ever won one of those Love It or List It challenges or Make a Deal days on Poshmark where they randomly draw winners? I have not, but I do have a bunch of friends that have won them. And then you said, ooh, I thought of another question. I noticed your white background. I noticed you white out, delete the background of your listings tutorial, and how much extra time does it take you? So I've mentioned this in so many videos because that's one of the most frequently asked questions that I get. I use an app called Photo Room. It is amazing. It literally takes seconds to white out the background. With some apps you have to go through and manually, with your finger white out the background, but this app you do not. It's literally just a tap and it whites out the background for you. I do pay $10 a month for it to not have the Photo Room logo on it, and it is 100% worth it. I love it so much. Next question, what does your husband resell? Would love to hear more about how you both resell and what that looks like in your household, along with working a full-time job outside the home. Thanks for the great content. So yes, my husband resells. He resells mainly shoes. He loves shoes. And I think that'd be a fun video to make. Maybe I can get him to be in a video. I don't know. He's not really a camera type person. He's been on this channel a few times. We've done well, back when he was my boyfriend. We've done the boyfriend tag. We've done just fun videos. He's been on my vlog channel about a bunch. But yeah, he's not really doesn't really like to be on camera. But that would be a fun video to make, just tell you guys how we do it. So yeah, so look for that video coming soon. I'm gonna try to convince him to do that video. Okay, next question. Hi Vanessa, do you ever share your closet on a laptop computer? This is what I normally do and it cuts down my sharing time in half when I do it on my phone. Have a great day. So I sometimes do, but honestly the fastest way to share your Poshmark closet is, and I said this in the last video, I say this in a lot of videos, but is on an iOS device, go on to Safari. Don't do it through the Poshmark app because there is a little bit of a lag on the Poshmark app. Go to Safari, log in to your Poshmark account that way and share your Poshmark account through Safari on an iOS device. It is quicker than the Poshmark app, and I even think it's quicker than using a desktop too. But yeah, that's how I mainly share my closet. Next question. Oh, this isn't really a question, this is just more of a comment, but I had to mention this video because I can relate. She says, oh, it's my girl. She says, the lowball offers are annoying, but what irritates me is when someone submits an offer and the payment has issues. That's happening a lot lately. I feel like they're doing it intentionally. So over the weekend, I had a pretty slow weekend and I woke up this morning to someone making a bundle of 9 things, I think it was, and they sent me a really reasonable offer. So I was like, okay, accept. Payment issue. I'm like, of course. A horse is a horse, of course. I agree, it is annoying, and it might not be their fault. They might have a credit card on file that has expired, or I don't know, their address is wrong or whatever. And then other times, yeah, I think there are people that make offers knowing that they don't have the funds in their account just to try to see if, I don't know, if they can get away with it. I don't know. But yes, I agree. it's annoying. Next question. I just wanted to say that I look forward to your daily uploads. They help me so much. Oh, I love hearing that. I wanted to ask you if you know of a great printer which aren't too pricey and can be printed just from your iPhone. Thank you. We actually have, we have 4 printers. We have a really nice, super expensive LaserJet printer that I use for not printing my Poshmark labels. And then we have a Dymo printer, which I love. I use to print my Poshmark labels. I honestly think everyone should invest in a Dymo. If you're serious about Poshmark, you should invest in a Dymo. It's like 180 bucks and it's amazing. It's a great investment. But if you're just looking, Dymo, unfortunately, you can't print from your phone. I know there is another label printer that you can. I think it's by Brother. I think it has wireless printing, but Dymo unfortunately does not. But if you're looking for just like a cheap wireless printer, we have 2 of them. When I edit the video, I'll put the name of it up here. But they're both Canon, and I think they were like 40 bucks, 40 or 50 bucks. It's a decent little wireless printer. Again, it's across the room. I don't want to get up, but I will when I'm editing this video. I'll put it right here, and I'll even try to find it online and put a link to it. But yeah, we have 2 different models of it, and they're both really great. Next question, will you ever sell anything other than clothing, home decor, makeup, bath and body? Don't you have a ton of makeup? LOL. So mainly in my closet, I sell clothing, shoes, accessories. I have sold a couple of home decor things. Like I've sold some pieces that we used at our wedding. But yeah, I don't know. I like clothing and shoes and accessories better. As far as like makeup and like body items go, yes, I do have a shit ton of makeup, but a lot of that was sent to me from companies, and I guess I'm one of the few. I'm one of the few that has like morals and a conscience and doesn't feel right about selling makeup that companies sent me for free. Like a lot of people on YouTube do it. Like they get like 40 shades of a foundation, then they turn around and sell it. I don't think that's right, and a lot of brands don't think that's right either. You know, obviously you're not going to use 40 shades of a foundation, so donate it. You know, like don't turn around and take advantage of these brands that are sending you this stuff and, you know, ooh, I'm gonna make some money off them. Like I don't think that's right at all. So yeah, so I wouldn't feel right about selling makeup that I got for free. I do donate it to a local women's shelter, and I give away makeup to friends and family. I just like to mainly stick to clothing, shoes, and accessories. Last question. Hello, love your videos. Thank you. The question is, I have seen a lot of Poshers put out courses on how to sell on Poshmark lately, and was wondering if that is something you would ever do or ever purchase. So, is this something I would ever do? No. I make these videos and give you guys, you know, really good, valuable advice for free. Yeah, it's not something that I would ever charge for. As far as would I ever purchase something, no, because I truly believe that, especially when it comes to reselling, you can find out pretty much anything you want for free. I know that somebody recently has put out a course, and I don't know, I was looking into it because I follow this person, and you know, she's a pretty popular reseller. You guys probably know who it is. But yeah, I was looking into it and seeing, you know, what she said about the course, and she was bragging that she made over $100,000 on Poshmark. And I'm like, oh, immediately I thought, oh, $100,000 in a year? Awesome. But no, it's $100,000 over the course of 5 years or 5+ years. She's been on Poshmark for over 5 years. So when you break that down, that's 20 grand a year, which honestly isn't impressive. It's very, very doable. Making 20 grand a year off Poshmark is very doable. And I mean, we don't know if that's net profit or gross. A lot of resellers like to say what they make, but forget to mention that they're talking about gross. They're not talking about after cost of goods and fees and everything like that. When I saw that, I was like, that's super misleading. Like, you know, bragging about how you made over $100,000 on Poshmark, but you know, not saying, oh yeah, it was over the course of 5 years. Again, making $20,000 a year on Poshmark isn't like too impressive, in my opinion. In my opinion, honestly, because I've done it, and it's not that difficult, I don't think. Yeah, to answer your question, no, I would never put out like these videos. I would never like charge you guys for these videos. The only thing that I have ever charged for, and maybe ever will charge for in the future, are private closet consultations, because you know, those take time. Those are like individualized. It's not just giving out like general advice, you know. But But yeah, as far as like putting on a course, and I don't. I like to give you guys this information for free. And granted, I do make money off this. I make money from YouTube, like AdSense, when people watch my videos, that I get money. I wouldn't feel right about charging people like individually. Be careful with those courses. Like not knocking anyone's hustle, but a lot of stuff you can find online for free. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below. What else can you do? Send me a DM on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. I'm trying to grow my Instagram. Instagram is kind of hard. It's kind of hard to grow. I have that link down below. If you are new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is Keepin' It Rad. You get a $10 credit, and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.